Hey guys, it's Josh of Basic Value again, and for today, we are going to be drawing a rectangle in Scratch. Now, first you just simply want to open your Scratch, log into your account, and then go to backdrops or costumes. So you want to click on this square tool right here. Then you want to drag this one, all right? So you can draw a rectangle. Now, just to give you a little bit of a life hack, if you want to draw a perfect square only, you don't want to go to the point wherein you'll draw rectangles. You simply have to hold shift and then you can draw a square. No matter how big it is, it's still gonna be a square. So that's how you draw a rectangle and a square here on Scratch. I hope this video helped you out. This is Josh of Basic Value. Please do not forget to subscribe for more tips in using Scratch. I'm gonna see you on our next video. Peace out.